the most delicious KFC chicken that you're gonna try. Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Trip is back with another video, and this time I'm making KFC fried chicken, but much better. It's gonna be so crispy and delicious. I'm gonna serve this KFC chicken with a really nice gravy, coleslaw, potato mash and some fries. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start by brining our chicken. I've got her chicken drumsticks, a full wing that has wingette and drummet, and you could also use some chicken thighs. I wouldn't recommend using breast, it could become too dry. We're gonna brine it with some hot sauce, with a pickle juice, a really good touch of pink salt in there. Now give this a really good mix, and you want to leave it to brine for overnight in the fridge. Trust me, this process is gonna lock flavor, so make sure you do it if you got the time. Forward dredging with the flour. And with the freshly toasted and ground black pepper, and with the mustard powder, smoked and sweet paprika, and with the freshly ground white pepper, garlic and celery powder, and with the ginger powder, a really good touch of MSG, and with the crushed thyme, oregano, basil, and finally some salt. Now give this a mix and adjust any seasoning if you need to. You should be able to taste your flour. Set aside for later use. For our wet batter, in another bowl you want to crack in 3 eggs, and with the soda or plain water, leftover brine from the chicken, and finally some flour and pinch of salt. Give this a really good mix. You're looking for a nice thick consistency. You should be able to coat back of the spoon. Now grab your chicken, your flour mix, your wet batter. In another bowl you want to add some flour, some of this cayenne pepper. Now before we start coating our chicken, turn up the heat around medium with the oil, and bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius, which is roughly around 320 Fahrenheit. Alright, let's coat our chicken. Grab your chicken pieces, and it goes into this plain flour. Coat it properly. Shake off the excess, and it goes into this wet batter. Get a nice coat of that. Again, shake off the excess, and this goes into our seasoned flour. Give this a really good mix. Again, you want to shake off the excess. And this is what you're looking for. Now this goes straight into the hot oil. Now whenever you're cooking your fried chicken, make sure not to overcrowd. Keep it there for a few seconds and throw that in. Now let the drumsticks cook for around 11 to 13 minutes until nice and golden brown, and the internal temperature should reach 75 Celsius. The chicken wings will roughly take 6 to 7 minutes. Again, you're looking for a nice golden brown color. And if you haven't got a meat thermometer, then you need to purchase one as soon as possible. Now let's check our chicken. It looks amazing. One of the best KFC chicken that you're gonna try. Now make sure to drain off the excess oil and then remove it. Also, don't touch the chicken when you have just put it into the oil. Just leave it there for a few minutes and then you can turn it now and then. Now here's a pro tip, always get rid of this excess crumbs before frying your next batch. If you don't do this, it will just stick to the chicken and then burn. Our amazing KFC chicken, done. Trust me, one of the best KFC chicken that you're gonna try, and it's so crispy. For the gravy, turn up the heat around low medium, and with the salted butter and plain flour. Give this a mix, and you want to cook the rawness of this roux. And slowly you want to incorporate the stock. You want to season with some cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and finally some salt and touch of soy sauce. You don't want to add too much salt, the stock will have enough salt in there. Now give this a really good mix and let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes until nice and thick. Alright guys, our mouth-watering gravy is done. Have a little taste. Amazing. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Let's add our chicken. Serving with some of this creamy coleslaw, some of this potato mash. And finally our mouth-watering gravy. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Let's have a taste of that gravy first. Bismillah. Wow. It is so rich. So delicious, you know. Well, let's try our chicken, look at that. Bismillah. Wow, that is so delicious. Let's try with some of that gravy. Bismillah. One of the best KFC chicken ever. That KFC chicken was so mouth-watering. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Can we please get this video to 1000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.